Hello, this is Vincent Martinez, and from my interactive design thing, I decided to make this little play area using a sphere with the projectile script being made during the lecture, and and adding a few things to basically make this little play area. As you can see, there are these four panels, and as you would expect, because of the lecture, after the lecture, I made use of projectile script so I can bounce around and just keep bouncing around. And to add some interactiveness, I made it so that all six of these little panels can be controlled using QWE for the top ones, and then ASD for the bottom ones. So yeah, as you can see with the spawning spheres, I made what was supposed to be some points that the player could collect, and every time the player hits one of these, it chooses a random spawn point to spawn another new one. The spawners seem First of all, I'm having an issue right now as the little points aren't despawning as they're supposed to, and they're just persisting there, and it looks like they're exponentially making more points, like a lot more than just one at a time. It looks like, or maybe it's just going a bit faster than I expect. But still, so there's that. How the points things are working is that they sit. First of all, for the spawner, I had spawns, the points, and for the points, how that works in the scripts. And here's for the point tracker attached to the sphere. Basically, how it's supposed to work is that on void trigger enter, because I have them set to triggers, they like the point, like player gets a point, and then that point, the little yellow point ball is destroyed. Random ranges uses pick one of the 7 spawn points. I did not set to have 7, gotta fix that. But so one of the 7 spawn points is picked, it spawns a new point there, and then you keep going for as long as you can, as long as you want to, since it's pretty easy. Going over the input system you mentioned at the end, using ifs, key code QEW, like I said, to control those 6 panels, and making use of projectile script to get all that done. I did not add a point system nor a lost state if the ball goes out of screen. Could fix that in the future, but yeah, that's what I made.